Since learning artificial intelligence could be like drinking out of a fire hose, let's learn JSON in 2 minutes so we understand it for model context protocol. Now, anytime you're sending data to an LLM using MCP, you're sending a JSON object. And a JSON object is a list of key value pairs inside of curly braces. So in this case, you notice we have a beginning curly brace and an ending curly brace. Now, when I open it up, you see that we have the key is system. So what we're telling here, we're telling the LLM, we're giving it the system message, you are a helpful assistant. Now, the values in the key value pairs can be a lot of different things. They can be text, they can be numbers, they can be dates, or they can be lists or objects. So in this case, messages is actually an array. It is an array of objects. So what you're passing to the LLM here is a list of the messages. Everything that went back and forth to and from the LLM goes in this messages list. So as you see, there's a square brace. And when you have square brackets, that's a list. When you have curly braces, that's an individual object. And then inside the objects, you have key value pairs. So in this case, messages is a list of messages. Then the next one down here is tools. Now, tools would be a list of the tools that the LLM has available to it that it can use when it's coming up with its strategy for how it's going to solve the problem. So in this case, we don't have any tools in here. Now, when we go down to the next key value pair, that's model. And in this case, what we're saying is we're going to be using Claude 3 Sonnet and then the date of the release. And that is going to be the model that we're using. And then here we have max tokens.